For my project, I'm going to go ahead and talk about Walmart and the employee morale and how it affects the customer service that is being uh, held as a standard for the Walmart company. So, first of all, what affects Walmart's customer service? Is it the long checkout lines, unclean, disorganized stores, employees that aren't friendly nor know the products that they're trying to sell? Or does low employee morale negatively impact the customer service provided? I think that we all can probably know or admit that when we do go to Walmart, that we all notice that there is sometimes long checkout lines, that there might only be one person that's standing there checking you out while there is lots of places for people to go to do their self-checkout. While a lot of people don't like to do self-checkout, that they believe if they're going there to pay, that someone should process their checkout order. And then sometimes people have a tendency to feel that their store is unclean and disorganized, and that employees don't really know their products that they're trying to sell, nor are they helpful to finding things. So, my research question was, does low employee morale negatively impact customer service? So what I did as a background for this was that I looked at the Walmart website itself, and then Walmart stated in their website that they firmly believe in their employees and push to not make it an entry-level job. They give their employees advancements, benefits, and even the opportunity of a career. And Walmart Corporation says, culture is the foundation of everything that we do at Walmart. We define culture as our values in action, and it's how we deliver superior customer service, create a great frontline working environment, and improve performance in order to achieve their common purpose of saving people money so that they can live better. Now, when I was researching this and reading what Walmart had to say, I also went ahead and looked at what employees were stating about how they felt working for Walmart was. And a lot of the complaints that I found was that they were hoping for better pay, that instead of making only $12 an hour or less to start there, they were hoping for better pay, better hours, actually being considered a full-time employee instead of a part-time employee, more training for the supervisors, department managers, and assistant managers. And also I looked at Glassdoor and other rating companies out there, and they all stated that employee satisfaction was 2.9 in 2014, and it went up to 3.2 in 2016 after they made some improvements. I think they still probably have a long ways to go, but as you can see, morale-wise, it's still pretty poor. And the last thing that I did for my sample was I created a survey that I allowed the general public to take about Walmart and how they felt customer service was for them while they were shopping. I used SurveyMonkey, and then about 153 people responded, but I was only able to see the first 100 responses unless I wanted to pay more to get the other 53. I had it open for about 24 hours. I probably could have had it open less than that just to get the first 100. It consisted of 8 questions. The first one was a yes or no question, where it was, do you shop at Walmart? And with that, I should have had the ability for when they responded to know that the question, the survey stopped, but unfortunately they were still able to respond to the questionnaire. So there is a little bit of discrepancy with my questionnaire. 7 of the other questions were a 1 to 5 grading response, where 1 was strongly disagree, and then 5 was strongly agree. And then between 1 and 5, 3 considered being the middle, where it was neither agree or disagree. A couple of things that I'll just touch base on these questionnaires was I found really interesting. Was the first one was, you find shopping at Walmart to be a good experience when it comes to customer service. Pretty much overall, people said neither agree or disagree, and then also completely disagree. So a lot of people did not find that their shopping at Walmart to be a good experience when it came to customer service. And then the other question that I found really good and interesting was, compared to our competitors, is Walmart quality better, worse, or about the same? And majority of the responses ended up being somewhat worse or much worse than the competitors. So as you can tell, most people would probably rather shop somewhere else than at Walmart. They don't consider their customer service to be superior. And another one was, when looking for an item, a knowledgeable employee is readily available to help me with my needs. And majority of the people either said disagree or strongly disagree, that they feel that there is not a knowledgeable employee there. That was another interesting sample question that I considered to be interesting to know. So with this, about 75% of people feel that customer service is very important when shopping at Walmart. Approximately 55% believe that there isn't a knowledgeable employee readily available to help them with their needs while shopping at Walmart. And 45% believe that the employees at Walmart do not appear to love their job and get along with their coworkers. So as you can tell, the morale and just the overall employee cohesiveness does seem to affect the customer service that is being portrayed at Walmart and how people feel that they are being treated when they go there to shop. And then, as I said before, when asked how Walmart rate compares to the competitors, about 58% state that the Walmart is worse than its competitors. So some recommendations that I found through this would be that Walmart should really reformat the customer service. Make it a huge priority by making their employees feel important, welcome, and an asset to the company, either being by better pay, better benefits, more employees, cleaner stores, better training on stock and supply, making them feel that they are an asset and super important to the store and to the success of the store, instead of feeling like they're maybe just another person that they can be easily replaced by someone else, since I'm sure a lot of people feel it's an entry level job. What other suggestions or recommendations do you have out there that could help make the customer service to be more important at Walmart? I'll let you guys just think about that. And then through this, what I concluded with is that the general public finds that the customer service at Walmart is not good, and it reflects upon how the employees feel about their work there, as I stated before. Even though Walmart states that they hold a high regard to customer service, improvements can be made in how they treat their employees and how the morale comes down from management. I think that there's a lot still to learn and grow from. And then, as you can see, these are my references that I used. Let's go through this. And that is it. So thank you guys very much for your time, and you have a good day.